This is another life lost to Ebola, one of a growing number claimed by this deadly virus. And now the man in charge of the campaign to stop it in Sierra Leone has himself succumbed to it. Sheikh Humar Khan was praised as a national hero for his efforts to contain Ebola. But on Tuesday, it killed him. He was being treated at a hospital in Kailahun. The doctors and nurses there are at the forefront of the battle against Ebola. It's a battle they think they're losing.
This is the first time I've treated an Ebola epidemic of this size. There are hundreds of deaths. We just can't control the epidemic. It's going in all directions, and we have few resources.
What makes the problem worse in places is that some people fear wrongly that if they seek medical help, they might not survive the treatment.
They're frightened to say that they're ill. They're frightened to consult medical facilities that are capacitated to treat Ebola or to recognize Ebola and refer to isolation wards. And it's one of the big challenges that we're facing in responding to this outbreak.
Another growing concern for health experts and governments across West Africa is a combination of a highly infectious, highly lethal virus, insufficient resources, and porous borders. Already, one of the biggest airlines in the region has stopped flights to Sierra Leone and Liberia as a preventative measure. Because people who are incubating Ebola are well enough to travel, but when symptoms develop, they expose their friends and relatives to the virus. Medics and emergency crews seem to be particularly at risk. That is how 2 US aid workers are believed to have contracted it. 2 of the many hundreds of people that this outbreak has now touched. It's already the worst ever recorded, and there's no sign that it's under control. Dominic, Kane, Al Jazeera.